my country people, good morning, afternoon. I call it Toyota. It's another special day again for our beautiful daughter, our pretty daughter. Ọmọ náà mo ṣe, ọmọ níjẹ́ yàgàgà, ọmọ náà wá yẹ yàgàgà, ọmọ náà ga lajà nígbà náà wá bí ọ̀nà ọmọ. Your mother look like Sweet 16. Now make your pretty mommy say make I come here because the Malisa, because the Publisa, because the Malasa. He said that your special day. To be 80 years, not be 80 days, not be 18, not be 18 months, not be 19 months. 80 years is not like 80 days. You have completed 80 years, a wonderful years, a great years, a beautiful year. And God make your years to be 18. I still go with the every day. No success. You like say tomorrow no day. What if they grow fast? Who will feed the baby? I beg. You see that way they grow, you go plant them. Under 3 days, you don't see what you plant. Now so God will take grow your life. Many wisdom and many sources they follow you. I never say make you know what come. You go pass and you go mash and you already know. You don't understand. You go grow, you go build your mommy. As a mommy they bring and they come small. So who say me and mommy no enjoy the fruit of labor? That person now you go hammer wood. Not be womb go jam. I don't understand me. As just they grow, they come. So the prayer that go pray for you, my sister. I don't get another prayer for you. They still follow road. Now I know how the road be. My prayer for you, my beautiful daughter. The God will create you call this life. And that's the same God will make you reach 18 years without you not carry belly at the age of 40 years. You don't carry belly at the age of 50 years. God said today that be your special day. As you reach 80 years, you can't reach big girl. When we say your hair can't reach everything, God will still give you more years to enjoy your life before you go enter marriage. And as you want enter your marriage, my prayer for you, may God give you a special husband, a beautiful man, a man that know the respect of woman, a man that know how to take care of woman, a man that know the value of woman. God will send that to you. Any man that don't know the respect of woman, who don't know the value of woman, as they come my way, I go pray for you, my daughter. I go pray for you. Any man who don't know value of woman, who don't know respect of woman, who don't know fear of God, yes. Daughter, my beautiful angel. I be at 80 years they complete. So me a child at the verse and the provoke. And they provoke. Keep them 80 years. The next thing at to enter marriage house. In fact, you don't be adult. You don't be big girl. My daughter, my prayer to you this early morning. This early morning, I dey provoke. My prayer, you know, God won't give you. More you know value of woman. More you know how to carry woman like egg. More you know how to pay to woman. More you know value of woman. When you say woman get value for man life. Now God go say come for life. Now God go say to make it locate you. Man, we don't know how to pitch woman. Man, we don't know how to tell woman say you the craze. Man, we don't know how to tell woman say what they worry you. You see those men, God go drive them, run away for your life. God no go let them know you at all. I don't go carry the video long. Now, good prayer for you. They say road when mama pass way no good. Mama no dey pray and make it picky pass. Any road when mama pass it no insurance. Do they pray say my picky this road na enter no good. No follow am. Na say e be o. Now make your mommy dey pray this prayer so for you. Me shadow so come here. Go dey malasa my sister. As you never grow, so you never know the difference between man life and single life. Now when you don't grow, so now when you don't enter man life, you don't say, life not easy. My sister, I pray the best prayer for you. As I pray for my lovely sister, Hope, make a young good man. That's why they pray for you. Anybody, any woman where they grow, they come from my under, and they pray them better prayer, good prayer, because it's not easy. If you go jam man where you don't know value of woman, my sister, your life, that's also thickness that will kill you. Sickness will never locate you. Sickness will never locate you. Premature death will never locate you. Untimely death will never locate you. You will never die in young. You never die small pikin. Anybody who wants to make it pray for you, the person go use here carry wetin plan. Na small, not be small thing o. Na the matter na be that. Na make your special mommy, almost one of Paris. If you know your special day, he dey pray that he dey see you. See your happiness today. He get a lot of joy. Suffer what you suffer today. Who say they suffer am o? He dey feel am. If they are peace, they see you. Now make your mommy almost want to Paris say the kind of way you suffer for marriage house. Because if woman enter house we no good, we go call her marriage. If you enter husband house, they get happiness, we go call her husband house. But if you enter house we no get happiness, you dey think, you dey get wahala. Now marriage they call her my sister. I better they manage your whole. Marriage they keep person. Now if you make her come here, come and listen for you. Your mom say that marriage house where you enter. You know pray and make you self enter the marriage house. Now make me shout out good that pray that prayer for you, my sister, my lovely daughter. My marriage house. They the boss you. I was working at your mommy. Blessing of God all day. May God bless you. You know where they appear. You know you should catch your mother. You know you should catch your father. Your father was small. Make dem no say why you no mention papa name put. I go mention am na small thing mention am. Any man wey no good well, wey no do well follow you wife, my brother. I no dey like to mention that name o. I no dey like am. I no wan hear am for my ear at all at all. No be a special mother. Na your mama be man, I be woman, I be mother, I be father. Na make I go say me papa dey malisa for you. I give you many years to celebrate, many husband, many life, many peace, many wisdom, many happiness. You go follow you. My prayer, and I go repeat am again. I say God go give you a choice. A mother no value of woman. A mother no respect of woman. A mother respect woman. Oh my God. No, you say woman make what did happen? Now God will second your life. I wish you all the best. Happy many years to celebrate Akko. I love you. My guys, my people, my friends, my family. Join me to celebrate our beautiful, wonderful sister. To be 18 years is not a joke. Hey, Ama easy. To be 18 years is not a joke. I don't think they give me joy for inside. They sweet me. If you see the 18 years old, see her mother. I'm not going to be mother girl because the mother look like 16 years old. Why is the daughter 18 years old? Because people make her live in her for a year. Make her join me celebrate with her. I love you guys. My lovely agent is here to say happy many years to celebrate. Come on, say happy birthday to Auntie Blessing.
Happy birthday, Auntie Bessie. Long life and prosperity. More years to celebrate.
The same prayer when I pray for you. Now they pray for my lovely daughter. And they pray, may God bless her. As God they bring her up, my daughter. My prayer, everything. I go sit down with her. The time when they grow, they come. If our mother said, this road no go my pikin, no follow that man who was not lie. I don't want that put. Me no go gree, my pikin no go die put. Any more we no value. If I see how my pikin hand, now cost last I will take cut his head. Can I put for your hand, make her waka? That's what the matter be. Man, not me. That's why I better joke. God bless you now. Remain blessed as you watch this video. See you in my next video. Oh, I forget one thing. Said Sharon Stone, but you can cash. You see that social media? That social media Wahala TV. Just go there, subscribe, like, comment, and share out to your beloved one. That place, now different story now they bring come for there. Different video. Story say you go give you sense, you go give you wisdom, you go there learn. So who don't enter? Would they make the people never enter, make them enter? Because many stories they come there, no be small. You they learn. That's why they don't make the mistake. They go bring their story. Who was it there? Was it there? The Malisa. For who will be say we never see made the mistake? We go see the learn. Now be waiting there. Any video you find, just subscribe and press the bell so you get the notification. Anything I want to upload them, so they make bagara for. See you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.